Math Basics 1. Foundational Numeracy. We are going to learn about writing numbers in Math Notebook. Why do we write one digit in one box of the square line page? Let's learn this through a little story. We all know 0 alone has no value. This single digit has nothing to give, take or share. 0 was finding some place to stay. Each number had a home of its own. So, 0 decided to ask numerals if anyone would share their home with 0. I am 0. I wanted a place to stay. Can I share your home?
I like to be alone. I need this space to myself. You will need to find yourself some other place.
Hi, 0 here. I wanted a place to stay. Can you help me?
I am sorry, 0. Look out for somewhere else to live.
Hi. Do you have a place to spare? I am looking for a home for myself.
Sorry, I cannot help you.
Hello. I need a place to live. Do you think you have some place for me here?
Hey, my friend, I am sorry. I won't be able to help you.
My name is 0. I am looking for a home. Can I live here with you?
I have 5 valuables and cannot spare place for you in my home.
I am 0. I wanted a place to stay. Can I share your home?
What? Share my home? Oh. That's not possible. Why don't you check out the homes in the neighborhood? Good luck.
Hello there. I am looking for a place to make it my home. Can you share your place with me?
Hi. I am 7. I have little to spare. I have 7 things. So, buddy, you will have to check out some other place.
Hi. I am looking for a home for myself.
Hi there. Number 8 here. I need this place for myself.
Hello. I am 0. I need a home. Can you give me some place in your home to live?
Dear 0, my house is full. I cannot share my home, but I think I have a suggestion. Why don't you live in a house of your own? There is one house in the number colony which is empty. You can perhaps make that your home?
Oh. I found it. This is that house which will be my home. Hooray! This is my place. Look how we write numbers in our math notebooks. There is a margin line, after which we leave one box and then start writing. Just as you saw, each number has its own place. Each number has a separate home. In the notebook, we will write each number in a separate box. Let's begin. We will write numbers from 1 to 10, one numeral below the other. We will leave one box below each numeral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For 10, as you can see, we will write one numeral in one box. We just learned that 0 has its own place. It lives in a separate house. So, remember, we will always write one digit in one box. Now, You will write 1 in one box and 0 in a separate box, but numeral 1 is written in the left side box as you see, and the 0 sits below numeral 9. Hope you enjoy learning with Planet E. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.